ओके ओके, चिपकू होना पसंद नहीं है। They are. Why they are not giving on? It's okay, it's fine. I can go and take bath. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi, good boy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Forceps, and today we are going to a historical place. I hope you'll like it, and it's very famous here. And so, yeah, it's the Tagore Hill. As we move along with this video, I'll show you around. It's a very pretty place, very famous in Ranchi, and a historical place too. So keep watching. Guys, we have reached, and it starts right from there. So yeah, there are stairs to go right up. It's on a hilltop, and you can see how pretty it looks. We have come right in the afternoon क्योंकि शाम को काफ़ी भीड़ हो जाती है यहाँ पे. So as we go up, I'll tell you the history behind it. Oh, by the way, I've come with her again. Say hi. So yeah, this is the entrance. मैं अब बताऊंगी ये जगह क्यों फेमस है. तो ये है टैगोर हिल. Apparently, you know, Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel laureate who won the Nobel Prize in 1913, his elder brother Jyoti Rabindranath Tagore came here in Ranchi and built a kind of monument for his wife, in memory of his wife. So yes, it's not only Shah Jahan who has done all the romantic works for his beloved wife, it's also Jyoti Rabindranath Tagore, and apparently he stayed here also for some time. So yeah, that's why this place is famous. As we are going up the stairs, I'll tell you how high it is. It is 300 meters high, hai na Shwara? It is 300 meters high, and there are quite a few steps to go up. So as we go up, I'll show you why we are going up, and why it's so beautiful, and also what makes it so worthwhile to go right up right in afternoon. So yeah, stay with me. So yeah guys, we are about to reach up, and I'll show you what you're gonna see now is that hilltop. That is the famous one, and many tourists come here. And yeah, the most beautiful part about it is you can get a 360-degree view of the beautiful Ranchi city, my beautiful Ranchi city. So sorry if I'm panting so much because we have climbed a lot of stairs. So as you can see, it's right in the heart of the city. So we have come up here, and you can see the clouds are so pretty today. I don't know if you can make out, there is a mountain range right behind that one, and it looks so pretty, like a silhouette. So yeah, this is it. And This is the top that I was talking about, and it looks so pretty, such like a heritage site. And these mountains look so pretty. I wish I could show you the entire 360 degree, but wait, let me just try. I might try. I seem to have loved you in numberless forms, numberless times, in life after life, in age after age, forever. My spellbound heart has made and remade the necklace of songs that you take as a gift and wear round your neck in your many forms. In life after life, in age after age, forever. Whenever I hear old chronicles of love, its age-old pain, an ancient tale of being apart or together. As I stare on and on into the past, in the end you emerge, clad in the light of a pole star, piercing the darkness of time. You become an image of what is remembered forever. That was it for here, and we took a lot of pictures and everything, and we are happy. Look here. We are happy. I hope it turns out good, and now we'll go down to show you the other places. So yeah guys, I hope you liked that one. Now we are going downstairs and I'll show you. नीचे भी काफ़ी प्यारी प्यारी चीज़ें हैं. So main was this one, and now we are going downstairs. I really liked it. मैं यहाँ पता है 4 साल के बाद आई and still very pretty, still the same. I'm trying to find now एक food. So yeah, I got it. So this looks so pretty. Wait, I'll try to put it here. How does it look? No, it doesn't look good. So maybe I'll just take it here as a memoir from this place. And yeah, तो यहाँ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आप यहाँ आ जाओ. इतनी ठंडी ठंडी हवा बहती है ना. और फिर गर्मी तो है, धूप भी है, बट थैंकफुली आज यहाँ पे बारिश नहीं हो रही है. सो इट्स अ गुड पार्ट. एंड yeah, we went there, and now we are going downstairs. She's right there sitting because काफ़ी थक गई है वो, I guess. And yes, keep watching. So yeah, now we'll go downstairs. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I am enjoying it a lot. Or now I'll show you the actual part where he used to stay. And you know, Rabindranath Tagore also came here to stay. And there is a place यहाँ पे Ramakrishna Mission who actually takes care of this entire thing. आप जब भी रांची आओ, please do visit this place because it's a must visit place. यहाँ पे मौसम काफ़ी अच्छा हो रहा होता है. जब आप ऊपर आओगे तो हवा बहुत अच्छी बह रही होती है. And yes, you can enjoy it now. We'll go downstairs. यहाँ की सबसे प्यारी जो चीज़ है, आपको यहाँ से पूरे रांची सिटी का 360 डिग्री व्यू मिलता है. सो दैट मेक्स इट सो गुड, इट मेक्स इट सो स्पेशल चारों तरफ. एंड यहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी हवा चलती है. देयर इज़ सो मच ऑफ ग्रीनरी, लाइक ट्रीज एवरीवेयर. एंड एक सुकून मिलता है यहाँ आके. आप कभी भी परेशान हो या फिर कुछ भी चल रहा हो आपकी लाइफ में, आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. यू कैन जस्ट breathe for a while away from all the hustle and bustle of city and just be yourself maybe. And yeah, आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ भी आ सकते हो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आ सकते हो, और पता है अकेले भी आ सकते हो इन दैट केस. सो yeah, I thought to share this thing with you guys because मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है रांची के बारे में बहुत सारे लोग काफ़ी कुछ नहीं जानते. एंड पीपल शुड नो दैट इट्स सो कल्चरली so rich in culture, like any other place, any other state. So I wanted to share this one with you. And I'm sure I'll be sharing other things too. For now it's this one. So yeah, just enjoy it. So this is the building, not building, this is the actual monument that he built. And yeah, the city looks so beautiful from here. Mostly they have closed this place. शायद ये बंद हो गया है, मुझे उतना आइडिया नहीं है because अंदर खाली है, it's nothing much. And yeah, some of the paintings here. It's very artistic. It is very artistic. You can see some old culture right here. रांची की मैं जितनी तारीफ़ करूं उतना कम है. एंड इफ़ आई कैन शो यू, there is a Nagpuri film shooting going on, I guess so. So maybe it's people right there. And just look at it. आप ये देखो, it's so pretty. There is this man who is making her hair. Maybe a romantic partner, maybe a husband, maybe someone. But it looks just so pretty. And that's the music that you are listening. Maybe that's the movie shooting that's going on. Yeah, Nagpuri movie. The sky is so pretty today. ये उन लोगों के बारे में कुछ लिखा है about ज्योति रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Maybe his story in those rocks. और yes, There are paintings everywhere. Beautiful ones telling a story. This is maybe ये एक है. They are playing some musical instrument. And yeah, of this one. There is. Look at this. This is a female. I mean, it's so beautiful. It's so artistic. I like how Indian culture portrays feminism. It's not always about vulgarity. Sometimes it's about art also. Because they portray it very beautifully. Maybe it's the Western culture that we are influenced with a lot. We see such things vulgar, but it's beautifully portrayed here. So this place opens 9 a.m. in the morning, it closes by 6. So if you are making any plans to pay a visit here, please do come in this time frame and yes, enjoy the view. You know why I love Ranchi? Because it's so soothing, it's so fresh, it feels so fresh. Or away from, you know, all the hustle and bustle of big cities. I feel यहाँ पे लोग ना जीते हैं, यहाँ पे सर्वाइव नहीं करते लोग, यहाँ पे ज़िंदगी होती है लोगों की. उतनी बड़ी नहीं होती शायद, बट खूबसूरत ज़रूर होती है. So yes, that was Tagore Hill for you guys. So yeah guys, that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video, and I hope that I take you guys along to such beautiful places in Ranchi. And till then, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Dr. Forceps. And yeah, I'll be coming up with more such videos. And keep following my channel and take care. Biscuits. Yes, they eat. इनकी पूरी फैमिली आ गई है. तुम्हें भी चाहिए? ओके. ओके फैमिली. यस, वी आर हियर फॉर द बिस्किट्स. ओह माय गॉड, ये अलग है. बिस्किट सर, बिस्किट सर, बिस्किट. यस. यार मार मत देना. शी लव्स बिस्किट्स. और जैसा आप देख सकते हैं, इनकी पूरी फैमिली आ चुकी है मेरे पास. और बहुत शौक है यार. शी लाइक्स बिस्किट्स. सीरियसली.